Good afternoon, friends, fellow traders. I greet you all. My name is Samuel, communicating from the land of the rising sun. Today is 8th day of June 2024. I want to bring you, as I do every week, the best method of Elliott Wave analysis on currency, commodity indices, stock, cryptos, and others. Okay, if this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. I also offer mentorship. If you like my style and want to learn from me, contact me. You pay the little money I charge, and I will guide you through. Have many recorded videos we will watch before we fix one-on-one lessons. And most importantly, I don't charge every month or every year. Once you pay that little money, is once and for all, because I know that some people can learn fast, some cannot learn fast. While others have time to learn every day, and some people have maybe only weekends or few hours in a week. So I like to accommodate everybody. I'm not giving you unnecessary charges because of your time schedule. So let's go into the business of the day. So as always, I start with DXY. DXY, I'm showing you this again. We have, we have this what we're looking at on DXY. This is daily chart. This is wave A. Then either we will get an A, B, C as with B, then C, or maybe your B might be short, and we get this and this. But that's I zoomed the video so deep, so when we go higher on the video, we can see what we have. Though I would be showing you daily chart on everything, but I will show you daily chart maybe on this and a few others. So going down to 1 hour charts, let's show the 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have. Now the what we have here, I don't have any other option than we are still selling. And this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is with A, B, W, X, Y. So this will be our A. This will be, this with A. Then this is with B. With B is forming W, X, Y. As an expanding flat, it can turn out to be running flat, but let's assume this will happen. After that, selling will continue. We have been selling this. We sold here, we sold here, we sold here. It closed here at break even. So I'm not buying, though on 1 hour time frame, you may see a reason to buy from here. If it gives us a nice setup, I may buy with little lower time spread. Sorry, yes, lower spread. Sorry, lower lot size. Then my target is to sell again, because we have much to do selling rather than buying. Okay, and there are the few things that have changed this week. You are all other weeks it has been going down. So now this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Wave 4 can be a shallow wave 4, then it may end up here and go up. I don't know, but let's assume it will drop to this place. Then we get to wave 5. After that, selling continues. So that's for DXY. USD cards. Let's go to USD cards. USD cards, similar situation. Previous weeks on USD cards, I was looking at this to be I was looking at it to be zigzag. That is A, B, C, D, E. That is A, B, C, D, E. Then to go down. But it have changed. It's no longer, now it is just A, B, C, W, then A, B, C with X, then Y. So that's the things you will learn from us. When we are counting your waves, when correction is happening, it can change at any time. You don't have to be static. If you know when to adjust and when to stand where you on your former account. So all the things what you will learn from us if you join. So it haven't changed anything. I can only stop looking for sell if it goes above this zone. But for now, I'm still looking to see this drop with Y. As a matter of fact, the market is already in the reversal zone. Once it reverses, once it gives me a setup, I will sell again. And stop loss will be here. Then when the price closes below this place, I will bring the stop loss down to this place. Then when price closes this place, I will see bring stop loss down to this place, and so on. So, okay, I'm taking time on this USD card. I will take that because I don't want my video to be too long. Okay, USD chef. USD chef is one of the best periods we are talking for the past 3 weeks. You know, when this was happening, I said that we will likely get an expanding flat, and that's what happened exactly. And if you are following my recommendation, you have sold from here. You can see it says stop. You have sold from here and made this profit. So now again, we are maybe, let me tell you, if this is the first time you are watching, in my opinion, we will get this big move. I mean, this is what I can see will happen, but not a must. Even if it will happen, it won't happen in a straight line. It will keep doing this, doing this, doing this, doing this. So that is what we can see. I will always guide you on what to expect at the moment. So let's go to 1 hour to know what we expect at the moment. The selling haven't finished. So all this move, you can see how I labeled it. You can see this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then we are this is wave A. We're looking for wave B and the C. Then we look for sell setup again to continue selling. The selling is still very far. Meanwhile, this is wave A or wave 1 of bigger time frame. Then this can be wave 2 or wave B, depending on what the market will give us. Okay. The next is Euro USD. Euro USD, nothing have changed. Let's go to 4 hours. Euro USD, we bought from here, we bought from here, we bought from here, we bought from here again. This one closed on break even. So I was looking for it to continue going up to this place before going down, but it made a sudden drop. When you're trading with us, we always know when to move your stop loss to break even, so you don't make a loss. When you enter at the right price, you will likely go out with profit. So let's continue. So now, what we expect is the market to give us a correction upwards so that we can join the buying. Sorry, the selling will still drop a pretty much, at least this is wave, this will be wave A, this will be wave A, then wave B, which I don't know where it will end. Then we'll see somewhere around here. This is just a forecast, not a must. It can do this. It may not do this. It may go up from here, give us wave B, and then drop. It may ignore this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made only A, B, C, then A, B, C. Then it will drop again. I don't know which one it will happen, but I would like, if I get a perfect structure like this, I will sell, then I will buy again, because the main trend is buy. But when I see good trade setup on lower time frame, like 1 hour, I take it. Pounds USD, the same situation. I'm looking for it to sell again, to give me I don't see 125 on pounds USD, but I can forecast it to be make this can be with A, then with B, then with C, or it can turn out to be with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. I don't know, but let's keep our eyes to know when to sell, because the trend now, the trend is up, but it is correcting. This correcting might be deep. That's why I'm looking for sell. I don't trend against the trend, but when you know that the correction will be deep, then you trade with little lower loss size than you normally use. Okay, AUD USD. AUD USD, the same situation. AUD USD, let me show you 4 hours. AUD USD had been buying. We bought from here. Let me show you. We bought from here. We bought again from here. We bought again from here. And we will buy again. After this move, we will buy again. Lots of money, lots of trading opportunity is going on our group. So if you join us, you might join us to buy around here, okay, to give us a new high. Meanwhile, we may get double correction. We may get something like this and go down again. It doesn't matter. If it will happen, we will see it. Simple. So at the bio of this video, you will see links to my Telegram channel. 2 of them is free. 1 is for students. The one for students, you will see it there, because you have to contact me before you join. But I have 2 of it is free, where I share many trade setups, many of them per week. Okay, so should we go to go into 1 hour again? Using the USD, the same situation. Using the USD, we are equally looking for it to drop further. Then, okay, let me show you 1 hour on this, because it seems we're gonna get 125. So using the USD, this is with 1, with 2, with 3. I expect to get A, B, C. With 4, then with 5. After that, A, B, C. Then another move down. So selling is waiting for us around here. Okay, I will not like to sell this, because it may make a shallow move, go down, then do this, and go down again. So it will be a nice trade. If you join us on Telegram channel, I will share it, because I share many of these type of trades. JPY let me show you daily on this. JPY and yen pays. Yen pays and have been behaving well this year. Meanwhile, JPY, this is the only chart that makes meaning to me. This daily chart is the only one that makes meaning to me. And to sell, I would like to see it to close below this place before I will sell. Meanwhile, our 1 hour time frame, sell stop may occur around here, but it may give you stress if you don't have experience. So let's see 4 hours. If anything on 4 hours, which I doubt. I mean, I don't like the setup here. I don't like it, because let me explain. This can be called wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. But because it went very far, I will call it wave 4. Had it made something like this, I'll say wave 4, then we get wave 5. It will be leading diagonal, and we go to A, B, C, and continue selling. But for now, the way it is, I will leave it and keep watching when it will give me good setup. One thing about me is that if you're following me, you will know that there are a lot of things. There are many things to trade. So you don't force yourself to trade a particular instrument when the price move is not clear. For instance, again, the daytime frame is showing us selling, but you can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4, wave 5, which is a bearish, sorry, a bullish motive wave. So you may get an A, B, C, and buy again. But I don't like the idea because of what I saw on daily. If it buys, maybe it may not go far. I'm interested in selling. That's the point. So that's why I'm waiting for set it up to trade this. Okay, so let's go to next. You know JPY. This one, yen pays. I'm not being okay. Let me show you daily again. One, yen pays somehow not. This is what I want to see. If I see this, then I'll begin to buy. I want to see a nice drop. After all this move, I stopped trading from here because I was expecting it to give me this type of correction and A, B, C, but it didn't. It keeps going up. So I have a better pace to trade. So I leave it until I see a nice, like an A, B, C. Then I'll begin to buy again. For now, I'm leaving it alone. Though I'm watching lower time frame to know if I will buy or sell. And meanwhile, you can see 4 hours. If I get this A, B, C, then I look for buy from here. Then based on 1 hour, I don't want to trade based on 1 hour because it can be overtaken anytime. This is the best setup, but it may not last. The market will likely do something like this and go down again. So that's why I don't bother myself on this. So what I show you on 4 hours, if I get it, I will buy. If not, I will leave it. USD, JPY. This is the only one that looks good to sell. It looks good to sell. So let me show you. If like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meanwhile, I don't like the count because the wave 2 is not good to me. But these days, market doesn't give us those nice patterns anymore. So if I get set up around here, I will sell. Stop loss will be very, very tight up there. So that's the only yen pair I may sell for now. Okay, you can see a bigger picture of it. ABCW, this can be with X, then with Y. And if it sells, it may sell a big deal. So I'm just watching. Maybe it will be only yen pair that will be traded this time around. Plus JPY, the same situation again. I don't see reason to sell. And I don't want to buy. I don't want to buy because it's like it's going up. I don't want to buy. I didn't buy from here because this drop was so. The reason is that this drop was so sharp. And sometimes when you're counting an A, B, C, whenever we see is too sharp, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why I didn't bother buying. It's better miss a trade than lose a trade. You better miss a trade than lose that trade. So there's so many things to trade. So why forcing yourself on the particular one? Let's check gold. Gold have been buying for a long time, and the buy haven't ended. I'm looking for gold to drop lower again to buy. That's based on daily time frame, but on lower time frame, I'm looking for sell after this big drop. I didn't sell from here because I have a lot of open trades. I saw this trade set up, but I didn't take it. And of course, if you analyze many things, you can't trade all. That's the fact. Okay, so, and I can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A nice with A, nice with B. So this is wave 1. Hopefully we'll get wave 2, 3, 4, 5. So if wave 2 is made a nice structure, I will sell from wave 2. Then I will close it around the year and I'll look for buyer again. Okay, so let's get to silver. No need to you 1 hour on every trade. But silver, there's something happened on silver. There was a truncation. For those who understand, that was a truncation. This is what I was expecting after this wave 3. This is like A, B, C. I bought here and I was waiting for it to give me this move, to be the 50 move, but it turned and was going down. So my trade closed on break even. I give back some of my losses. That's what happens when pattern truncates. So now I'm looking for sell. So let's see 1 hour. 1 hour. So if I get a nice structure or 1 hour, I will just sell because this is a sharp move. And if you go out to 15 minutes, you may find the 5 waves here. But I don't want to do that. I'm waiting for it to give me wave 2. Wave 2 can be shallow, mind you. You may get a shallow wave 2. It may not always come to this zone, and it will just drop. Okay. Platinum is one of the best trades I've seen this year. Though there was no sharp move, but I was able to pinpoint all its moves for daily and so now it's dropping. What I'm looking for now is to buy again. The daily time frame so that it will still sell, but the market doesn't go one-way traffic. So from this structure WXY, I'm looking for buy again. So let me now go down to 1 hour to know where and when to expect a sell. So now, seeing this 1 hour, this wave 3, this wave 4, this wave 5 can go lower. This can be now. It's possible that this wave 5 have ended here. Since the markets have entered the reversal zone. But how will I know it have ended? I will not say that here because some things supposed to for my students. So I'm watching for it to know whether it will sell again or not. But possibility that this drop is the last one, which means this wave 5 can be here, and ultimately wave Y can also be here. But there's something I will see, and I will know that it has happened. But for now, I'm waiting for it to give me correction so that I will sell again. Okay, so let's continue. US oil. US oil is also one of my best trade for this year. Let me show you for hours on US oil. US oil, you know, if what my video 2 months ago, I said that oil will likely go to 60 zone or below, or even below it. Let me zoom this chart. Let me zoom the chart. So now this is why I said that oil will likely go to 60 zone. You see this move, I expect it to give me at least something lower than this, 67 and even lower. So that's it. Let me now zoom the chart. For those who are not seeing expanding triangle, it doesn't come all the time. Then see it here. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. You can see A, B, C, D, E. Wave 4. This can be wave 1 of wave 5. Then wave 2 and so on. So let's keep watching how it will develop. Okay, so what oil is selling, when are you joining sales it up again? If you join my Telegram channel, I will share it if I have the time. Okay, there are things I share for everybody, and there are others are reserved for my students. Okay, so let's continue. Nasdaq, US 100. I'm waiting for it to start selling because it has gone up so long. So let me show you 4 hours. NASDAQ and other indices will begin to sell anytime from now. But before then, we have to finish this move. Okay. After that, I'll be looking for sell. Remember, don't sell or buy blindly. Get sell setup before you sell, buy setup before you buy. You don't know what buy setup is or what sell setup is, or how to recognize one, then you need to go to school. You need to learn either from me or from whoever you want to learn from. Don't trade blindly. If you trade blindly, you are gambling with your money. It's not necessarily the money you lose while trading blindly is more than enough to. In fact, if you have $5,000 as your trading account and you're trading with $0.1 size, 2 trades will pay your school fees if you're learning from me. That's very simple. So S&P 500, same situation. It will still go higher before I will now think about selling. So US30 is the only one I can sell now. If market opens, I see why I should sell. So giving me a nice setup to sell, but the gap is just too much. Maybe I will wait for it to close here, set it up so that my stop loss will be here. That's the best thing to do. If it keeps going down, I will watch how it the best moves to know whether I will sell or not. But for now, here is the level of invalidation. Below here is sell confirmation. Okay, I think that's the last one we are giving you. That's likely buy before selling. Okay, let me give you Bitcoin, and I will call it a day. Let me go to Bitcoin. Oh, okay. I have been waiting for this drop to start. I'm waiting for this drop to start. Okay. I forgot to, I wanted to place, let me show you one of, I wanted to place sell stop here, but I forgot to do that. But it doesn't matter. I will sell again when I see sell setup. But I have been waiting for this to drop. As a matter of fact, there's something I share with my subscribers on Telegram, sorry, on WhatsApp. There you also see WhatsApp link, but I pay more attention on Telegram. I told them that if Bitcoin doesn't close above 72,000 last week, I expect it to drop. And it went to 71,911 and is now dropping. Meanwhile, let me show you daily on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still in a bullish market. The target is 80,000 or that zone. So, but as I said before, market doesn't go in a straight line. You can see this is look at like 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is moving. So Bitcoin is still buying, but for it to continue buying again, it will likely give us a kind of something like this. Either we get a running flat, something like this, or we get an expanding flat, something like this. So either we get running flat or expanding flat before it begins to buy again. Okay, so let's now go down to 1 hour. So 1 hour, I will sell with lower loss size. The reason is that I'm trading against the trend. When you trade against the trend, use lower loss size so that if it goes against you, you lose little. But when you are trading with the trend, you use a normal loss size. So the reason I want to sell is that if once I enter the sell, when market goes to in my favor, I will quickly move my stop loss to break even so that if it the person is without warning. I want to lose. But I don't think this is the only drop we will get. It can happen, but I don't expect it. I don't expect this to be the only drop we are getting. So at least we're gonna get an ABC before the buying. Before the buying starts. This is where I targeted to buy because I closed my buy. I've forgotten either here or here. So I was waiting for it to drop to this place so that I will buy again. It didn't drop. I keep going up. So that is it. Let's see. Get out here. Ethereum and I will conclude. Wow. Ethereum. Okay, let me go to Forex. Ethereum have touched our reversal zone, but Bitcoin cannot be selling, then Ethereum will be buying. So we may get something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, then something like this. So let's be careful. I don't want to buy Ethereum where Bitcoin is still showing me signs of selling. So that is it. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. You will see links at the bottom of the video. Join my Telegram channel for free. And if you want to learn from me, you let me know. You see my phone number there. The phone number is working on Telegram and WhatsApp. And I will tell you what to do to join the VIP and students group. Okay, remember to like, share, and subscribe. By sharing it, you may help somebody who is struggling, who doesn't see where to learn. You might be helping somebody. Don't be stingy. This is free. Share with others. You don't take anything from you. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere you want to share it, share it. If you share it, you're also helping me because it will make my channel to grow. That's the only thing you can do for me. If you're making money from what I'm doing freely, at least it's good to reciprocate by sharing it. At least that's the thing you can do for me. So then all these things is not easy. If it is easy, everybody will be doing it. Thank you and God bless you.